Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can use the checkout and check-in tool on SharePoint. The checkout tool in SharePoint allows us to lock down a file so that we're the only ones that are able to make changes to the file while it's checked out. So this is helpful if you're making minor or major changes to a file and you don't want someone coming in and making changes to it, because then you maybe just have to delete the changes that they made because you're changing the structure of the file, or maybe you're adding in things where the data that they're entering is no longer relevant. So what you want to do is you want to lock it down. And to do that, you just have to highlight the file, click on the ellipsis, come down to more, and you should see a checkout option. Once we do that, you'll see the little option here appear that shows the item has been checked out. Then once we click on it, we are the only ones that can make changes to it. So let's just go ahead and add an additional data point here for the employee benefits. So we have PTO, sick time. What else should we put? My work also offers optional pet insurance, so we'll put that. Okay, so now that that is saved, if we come back over to this file and we want to check it back in, we just click on the ellipsis, come over to, what the heck was that? Come over to more, go to check in. It's going to ask us to add a comment, so we could just put something like added pet insurance as an optional benefit. Check in. Now, once we come over to the version history, we should see that comment. And this is the one that we just added pet insurance as an optional benefit. And that is how you check out and check in files on SharePoint.